The whole world is asking, what is the best way to clean tile floors? Well, I've got the answer. I can introduce you to 5 amazing.
Number 5, Moonji Go Scrubbing. Steam mop for hardwood floors, handheld spin mop with 3 steam modes and rotating mop pads. The Moonji Go Scrubbing Steam Mop delivers powerful, chemical-free cleaning for modern homes. Designed for hardwood floors, grout, and tile floors, this handheld spin mop combines high-temperature steam with rotating mop pads for deeper stain removal. With 3 steam modes and a no-steam mode, you can easily switch from quick cleanups to tackling stubborn messes. Heating to 248 degree F in just 15 seconds, this electric floor scrubber provides fast, hygienic results using only water. The detachable steam cleaner and 360-degree swivel design improve flexibility, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue. Perfect for multi-surface use, it offers efficiency, convenience, and a healthier cleaning solution for everyday living.
Number 4. Bissell Crosswave Edge Multi-Surface Hard Floor Cleaner Wet Dry Vacuum with Zero Gap Edge Technology. The Bissell Crosswave Edge is built for modern homes that demand faster, smarter cleaning. This multi-surface hard floor cleaner lets you vacuum and mop together, saving time while tackling both wet and dry messes. Zero Gap Edge technology ensures dirt, crumbs, and hair captured right up to the edges, where debris often hides. Tangle-free technology reduces hair wrap, making it ideal for pet owners. Two-tank technology keeps clean and dirty water separate for consistently fresh cleaning. With its self-cleaning mode and included formula, filter, and storage tray, maintenance is effortless. Perfect for busy households, it delivers convenience, hygiene, and efficiency in one powerful cleaning solution.
Number 3, Teneco Floor 1 7 Stretch Steam Cordless Wet Dry Vacuum. Steam Mop 320 degree Hyper Steam Lay Flat Cleaning Flash Dry Self Cleaning. The Teneco Floor 1S7 Stretch. Steam is designed for effortless deep cleaning with powerful convenience. This cordless wet-dry vacuum and steam mop combines strong suction with 320 degrees Celsius hyper steam to dissolve stubborn dirt, grease, and sticky messes. The 180-degree lay-flat design easily reaches under furniture, while the dual-block anti-tangle system handles the hair without frustration. Flash-dry self-cleaning keeps the device fresh with minimal maintenance. With up to 75 minutes of runtime, it's perfect for whole home cleaning. Ideal for busy households, it saves time, reduces effort, and delivers hygienic results. A smart solution for anyone seeking faster, easier, and more effective floor care.
Number 2. Shark Steam and Scrub Steam. Mop all-in-one, scrubbing and sanitizing. Hard floor cleaner, LED. Headlights, 4 dirt grip. Soft scrub pads. Included, XL water tank, swivel steering, Hawaiian Gray, S8001. The Shark Steam and Scrub Steam Mop offers an all-in-one solution for scrubbing and sanitizing hard floors with ease. Using powerful steam and rotating dirt grip. Soft scrub pads. It removes stuck-on stains while remaining gentle on sealed hardwood, marble, tile, and stone. 3 steam modes, light, normal, and deep, provide flexible cleaning for quick touch-ups or deep messes. LED headlights reveal hidden debris, ensuring nothing is missed. Its lightweight design, XL water tank, and swivel steering delivers smooth maneuverability and longer cleaning sessions. This hard floor cleaner saves time, reduces effort, and provides hygienic results, making it a smart, convenient choice for maintaining spotless floors.
Number 1, Orec Commercial Orbiter. Hard floor cleaner machine, multi-purpose floor cleaning. Random orbital drive, wide cleaning path. 50-foot long cord. ORB 550 MC, gray/red, the Orec Commercial Orbiter. Hard floor cleaner machine delivers powerful multi-purpose floor cleaning for homes and commercial spaces. Its random orbital drive ensures smooth operation without swirls, brush marks, or gouges, making it ideal for hardwood floors, tile, grout, concrete, and carpeting. Designed with a wide cleaning path and a 50-foot long cord, it covers large areas efficiently while remaining easy to maneuver in tight spaces like bathrooms and kitchens.
It can scrub, buff, polish, strip, and deep clean carpets without leaving residue.
This versatile machine saves time, reduces effort, and provides professional quality results, making it a smart investment for anyone seeking cleaner, well-maintained floors.